Monday well spent, boys. This is how every Monday should be. Today, by the end of the ride, I'll decide, is it worthy of carrying a 390 badge? So today we are doing a media ride. Very light handlebar, yeah. Very nice.
So small.
Sorry?
So small.
So small it feels, not so low. So nice. Where is the neutral? Neutral is not coming. Neutral, come on. Ah, came. And this looks nice also, the off-road mode, na?
Yeah.
The screen.
What you need.
Yeah. So this is the all-new variant, the 350cc variant, the KTM 390. As I said, today by the end of the ride, I'll decide, is it worthy of carrying a 390 badge? That's what we are here for, to test them out, to ride them, experience them, share our opinion, our point of view. And I'm still not able to find neutral, the KTM things. I'm used to it. Where is my neutral? Okay, I'm not gonna find it today. You know what? Switch it off. How about that? Fuck it. Oh, power still comes late, kind of. But a peppy bike. But one thing is this, see, open throttling this kind of chotu bike and all, you won't be breaking any kind of laws. Now you buy a big ass bike, you can't open throttle those bikes left, right, center. You have to be, in a specific zone. It's risky and illegal. But when you open throttle such small bikes, you won't be breaking any kind of laws. You will feel that, oh, I'm going fast. It just gives you that feeling because of the engine, how it's, starts roaring. And I'm on off-road mode already because I just love how the throttle response is on off-road mode, especially on the 390s. We're gonna test both. For now, I'm gonna stick to off-road. Once we are done with off-roading, because we're going to a trail, once we're done with the off-roading, फिर उसके बाद स्ट्रीट मोड में डालेंगे, फिर देखते हैं कितना डिफरेंस लगता है. Because that's when I'll be so much used to the throttle response of off-road, then I'll get a better idea. You can filter through the traffic आराम से. Man, this is a low bike. Both the feet goes down so easily. I'm 5'9" by the way. Till now I don't feel any vibrations also, mad vibrations. For example, I'll tell you my vibration point of view from the 390 variant. कि lower RPM पे ना, around 2000, 3000 RPM, something around that, it starts tingling on the foot pegs. But in this I'm not feeling anything like that. No major vibrations. Let's open it up more on the highway, then we'll see कितना vibrations आ रहा है. See, all that is manageable. Those things shouldn't discourage you from buying these bikes. I can't find neutral.
I find it easy.
Huh? You can't?
I can.
Where, man? Where the hell is it?
You know.
Oh, I also find. From that time I was never to find.
Sometimes it works with half a clutch.
Oh, okay. Oh, full clutch in it won't work. Okay. So there is a tactic to find neutral. Nice. But nice peppy. Peppy only. Matlab, obviously not 390.
This is
Yeah,
not.
that thing was not there. Just pulling your shoulder away kind of feeling. Yeah, that is not there. इतना पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा. इतना अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है 80,000 something.
80K.
Yeah, why not?
It's the same electronic.
Correct.
Cruise control.
Oh yeah, cruise control is also there. Fuck. और जैसे alloy wheels वाला वर्जन ना. हमारे पास 390 के मल्टीपल वेरिएंट्स है, राइट. हमारे पास है आपका X है, S है, R है, राइट. So this is based on the X variant. It's not called X here, but just a KTM 390 which has all the components of a X variant. समझ रहे. अलॉय व्हील्स हो गया, जो भी आता है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स दुनिया भर के एक्स में, वो सब इसमें है. कॉन्सोल जो है वो भी एक्स का है इसमें, राइट. एवरीथिंग. द ओनली थिंग डिफरेंट हेयर इज द engine, the capacity of the engine. That is 350cc engine. Can't find the engravings that says 350cc here, but when you ride it, you can आराम से feel it that it's a 350cc. Change जो है सिर्फ आपका engine में है, so how it feels like, how the power delivery is. right? That's more important to me. I don't care about top speed कितना मिल रहा है इसमें. Trying to filter through the traffic. That's the fun part about these small bikes, man. Not small. This is not small by any margin. It just, when you start comparing it with, bigger bikes, we shouldn't be comparing, but you know what I'm talking about. It's so much easier. It's so much more fun. I have become a preacher of smaller bikes, man. I'm not even kidding. I'm going that route. I'm done with big bikes. I want small, light bikes. It just makes life so much easier. I mean, sometimes, yeah, I want that big bike feel and all, but I think I'm done for now. Maybe in future someday. But for now, I'm loving the life of small bikes. Yeah, you didn't feel that buzziness on the foot peg like the 390, the latest one. It's not there at all in this.
Slightly more refined.
Correct.
That we'll see on the highway.
Highway will get to know more. Let's stand on this. Oh, it has a very nice. I like it. Like a lot of adventure bikes, it's more like you stand straight. This is much more you hunch down, go forward, while a standing position, which I love. Sporty. Oh, I didn't check quick shifter. Fuck, why I'm using clutch? I was using clutch from that time. The quick shifter is so good on this. KTM quick shifters are one of the best quick shifters, man, in the market. Even in the big bikes ko le lo, chota bike ko le lo, jo bhi le lo aap. Compared to everything, the quick shifters are so amazing. Up and down both. And I was not using it like a dumbass. Seat is so low for my taste. I like tall adventure bikes. This makes it so, confidence inspiring for someone who's new. When I rev it off, it has the same 390 wala feeling. In the sense, the 390 also, early rev range is not much power. It just comes out after 5,000 RPM. So it'll be like, and it depends from people to people. For example, I personally like low end power in adventure bikes. But people are different people. Some people will like this. So totally depend on person to person. My friend, he loves his Enduro. Yeah, same power delivery. And he is totally fine with it. I don't mind this kind of power on a highway, for example. That low end feeling, I still don't have it, which I want on an adventure bike. थोड़ा सा rev out करना पड़ता है to keep it alive. And it switched off. God damn. Just one slide. Flame out issue is still there, I think. When I'm revving it out, it is nice. Sounds nice. The power comes so late. Oh my god. Now I got the pulling sensation. Gun it! I know why KTM always feels like you have to give it. You have to gun it. Every other motorcycle, I don't feel like, gunning it. I feel like, just let it be. KTM is like, no, dude, gun it. Full throttle always. Not half, not quarter, full. Oh no, the competition is here. No. Bullet is his own thing. Flickable, dude. Flickable. I'm cutting through traffic like I'm enjoying this process. Dude, this adventure bike feels like a Duke. Damn, it comes alive after certain RPM, which I can't see. Nice, quick shifter, nice. Okay, let's go. Monday well spent, boys. This is how every Monday should be. By the way, today is Monday. I took off. I'm sick. Not bad. एक्सीडेंट हुआ है क्या मालिक? हाँ, कुछ तो हुआ है, कुछ हो गया है। या इस रोड पे कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहता है। कुछ हो गया हैं. I hope he's fine. Oh my God. I'm not gonna show you all that. Looks sketchy. I'm not looking there. Let's just go ahead. Go. I don't want to look. I've seen some very sketchy shit on this road to the airport. Dude, on higher RPM there's no vibrations, and the windscreen is pretty good, yaar. This kind of a new first bike for a newbie. I'm not even kidding. It's not as mad as 390, and it's not as boring as the 250 also. I know 250 won't be boring for a newbie, but someone can aram se grow into this. It's very stable, dude. It's very stable. Feels like a big bike stable. Planted, stable, not moving around. क्या बात है? This bike, you can आराम से do 110, 120 and be happy on the highway, यार. Which is more than enough when you're touring. And I don't know, it feels less stressed out also. A beautiful looking motorcycle, no doubt. 70,000-80,000 cheaper. That's a killer deal. It has cruise control also, which is pretty cool. Mostly focused towards like 90% you can say touring. Off-roading कर सकते हैं, कुछ करेंगे अभी हल्का फुल्का off-roading यहाँ पे भी. From here what I'm seeing, build quality is very nice. The same as your 390s. Good levers. I think these are not the adjustable ones. Yeah, these are not adjustable ones that you get in the 390R and the S model. Nothing was rattling yet. You'll see AJ doing some crazy stuff on KTM. Cruising, I think you can stay at 120.
120.
And there's no vibrations and all at 120 and all. That way is good. And not everyone is gunning to bikes. Some people like to ride at 100, 110 and they will be more than happy.
390 as well.
Yeah. So we'll do some riding around here. ज़्यादा jump नहीं ले सकते because मना किया है. Suspension will just bottom out here. As I said, it's a touring bike. So city में तो भाई suspension is mashallah, man. I was enjoying it in city and I was saying the bike feels stable, bike feels planted, bike was taking all potholes and all आराम से. Very nice. Not even touring, you can use it for city riding also. See, all these light off-road तो आराम से कर सकते हो आप इस पे. Specs wise देखो तो I think 45 से 45 से 41 something like that, and you can feel it. It's there. You can feel it. But I feel for the price you're getting a lot. You're getting a lot with this bike, and don't look at only the specs of the engine. So recently I've ridden two of these 350cc engines, both from Bajaj but different companies, Triumph and now KTM. I rode it last time for the 350, the Scrambler. It's still called a 400, but now there's no 400cc engine. Now there is a 350cc engine. Now if I have to choose between these two, I will choose this one. This is my kind of street power delivery. Triumph is more linear. Power is there from the start, but it doesn't have that, the KTM oomph. Both are good. It's very subjective. Someone will like this, someone will like that. I'll say some of the KTM engines are there which doesn't feel like KTM. But the 390 always felt like a freaking KTM. Does this also feel like a 390? Like a KTM? I think this feels like a KTM too. Top end ko chodo, because the power has gone down and all that jazz. But how the power is delivered, how the engine revs, is totally KTM. And totally feels like a 390. Cost effective 390. And in some cases, as I said, it feels better. It feels a bit lesser stressed out. Because of that, vibrations are not that bad. I give it 5 spark plugs for being a KTM, a 390 KTM, even though it's 350cc. See, before also 390 KTMs, 399cc came out, the LC4. There was your older generations were 373cc, right? You can't say that those didn't feel like 390, right? Actually, those felt more like a 390. The first gen especially. Similarly, even though the power has gone down a bit, it still feels like a 390. Papa approved? Yes. If you're tight on budget, go for this dude. Use their extra money for maybe something else, a better helmet, gear or something. Go for this one. Utilize this 18% GST. That's why they made a smaller engine. They're trying to utilize this 18%, making the bike more accessible to a bigger audience. You know, कितना absorb करेगा KTM वाला भी cost? There's a limit. They made a right decision that to make a 350cc engine, and actually, it's gonna help the buyers also and the company also. See, all these undulations on the road, I don't feel it. It just glides past, and we are doing decent speed. There are also zero traction control ABS. Nice. One thing I can tell you, कि after riding this na, I don't feel like riding a big, heavy adventure bike. It just doesn't make sense. From which angle does it make sense to ride a heavy ass adventure bike? Anything like 250 kg, 200 plus kgs. This doesn't make any sense. This is so much more fun in these kind of areas. You will be doing only, means unless you're doing mostly highways, maybe then yeah, maybe heavy ass bike makes sense. I am not someone who loves riding on highway. I like to do more B roads, village roads. This makes more sense. Okay, now let's try the street mode, fuck it. And now I'm gonna try street mode. Rain, street. Okay.
Really soft.
Ah, I see. Okay, we're gonna try street mode now for a very small bit. Oh yeah, power will become so mellow. Ew! Ew! It's not bad. For city is nice, I think. I think you'll get better average. But ew! In the sense, there's a kind of delay which I don't like. मेरे को नहीं ढूंढना neutral back. Dude, why this doesn't turn? Oh भाई साहब, this tight as hell. World class build quality तो नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन अच्छा है. Done. Give me my gulab jamun now.
It's waiting.
Yes. Yeah.
Jamun, jamun.
Jamun. We have burnt.
We come to these events not just to ride bikes, but to eat free food.
Correct,
outside.
exactly.
But sometimes the free food doesn't taste that good.
Yeah. We have burnt up jamuns. Let's eat some burnt jamuns.
Yes.